We have a variety of different styles of graters in the PADERNO line. They're great for different items such as cheese, vegetables, and fruits. Hi, I'm Sophie and I'm a product designer at PADERNO. Both our paddle graters, the Zester and the Medium Flake paddle grater, feature ergonomic handles with a soft touch covering, allowing you a comfortable grip as you grate. The blade is made from a laser-etched piece of premium stainless steel, which makes sure that it remains sharp. You can also grate both upwards and downwards for extra fast food prep. It also includes a plastic safety cover, which is dishwasher safe. The PADERNO box grater is a wonderful tool to help you prep food in a variety of ways. It's strongly built with a comfortable ergonomic handle that is covered in a soft touch plastic. This helps prevent it from slipping while in use. The 4 different blade patterns on the box grater allow you to create a variety of different textures and shapes. The medium shredder is a perfect option for grating items such as garlic, ginger, or cheese, giving you finely thin sliced results. The coarse zester was designed for fruits and spices. It allows you to get the most zest from your fruit without the pith, making your recipes full of citrus flavor. The medium graters is great for firmer vegetables such as potatoes and carrots, creating small desirable pieces for your salads or recipes. And the medium flake is perfect for grating firm cheeses or chocolate for your favorite desserts. The base features a non-slip ring of plastic and includes a cover so you can grate directly into it. This keeps food contained and your counter mess-free. The rotary grater is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. It's great for cheeses as well as chocolate, and it makes food prep and tableside service super easy. The rotary grater was thoughtfully designed with a 2-to-1 gear mechanism, which makes food prep smooth and effortless. The barrel can be adjusted for left-handed users as well as right-handed users and has an extra large compartment for your cheese or chocolate. It works in both directions, counterclockwise and clockwise, and it comes apart easily for cleaning. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.